Handy Hudsonite here. I'm going to explore the new headphone accommodations that's found in iOS 14. So let's get into what this looks like and how to use it. So in order to get to the headphone accommodations, we're going to come here to our settings and we will scroll down to accessibility, go to audio visual, and here at the top you'll see headphone accommodations, which says it is on for mine. Come in here and we'll do custom audio setup, which is what I really want to feature today. You have the balance tone, vocal range, and brightness that change different aspects of the audio as well as this this bar down here that indicates the way sounds are boosted. You can play a sample here to be able to hear the difference between these. But let's focus in on the custom audio setup. In order for this to work, as you can see, it gives me this pop-up because I do not have my AirPods connected. So let me get my AirPods and put them in so that I can experience. Okay, now that I have my AirPods in, let's go to custom audio setup. You'll see this first image come up that says headphone audio customization for phone calls, movies, audiogram, just to assess the health and customize your audio. Let's hit continue. It says you need to do this in a quiet environment to make sure that you can get these sounds optimized. It takes about 5 minutes. It will probably take you even less than that. So let's go, and first of all, they're going to have someone speaking here, and I can hear them, so I will click yes and then continue. Then it says you've indicated the quiet speech is not difficult to hear. Next you'll hear two to three tunings of the same music that will boost the soft sounds, and you're supposed to choose the version that sounds better. So they're playing some music right now. This is version 1. You can also adjust the volume to hear it better. Here's version 2. I don't notice too much of a difference between these. And they say if you don't know, if you can't detect the difference, just choose one. And now they're doing a second comparison. This second version sounds a little bit brighter to me with some more crisp high tones, so I will choose that. Then they have a third comparison. Again, version 2 sounds a tad bit brighter. Okay, and then it has you compare the recommended settings versus what you just customize, and you can do the difference between the standard and the custom. I don't notice a huge difference, but I actually did this the other day and there was a pretty large difference in this, but I also was doing it in a different environment. So I'll choose my custom settings, and that's it. So now your audio settings are more optimized with your AirPods. Again, you can choose these different tunes, but it will update the settings that you just did in the custom audio setup. These are just more quick settings that you can use if you don't want to do the custom audio setup. So I hope this has helped you understand the headphone accommodations and the custom audio setup for iOS 14. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more tips, hacks, and reviews like this one, and I will see you in the next video.